No, this is not clickbait. If you're getting paid bi-weekly, did you know that you're getting an extra 2 paychecks every single year? Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Stefani Ervin. I'm a production assistant for mortgage loans in California. I'm also just a nerd who loves to track, calculate, and plan for, well, just about everything, but mostly for finances. On this channel, I share home finance advice. So I'll provide things like budgets, trackers such as income trackers, savings trackers, debt trackers, all the trackers that you need, as well as I share some advice for first-time home owners, as well as first-time home buyers. My goal is to simply share the things that I've taken the time to learn, because I believe that everybody deserves a shot at getting their piece of the pie. I'm about to show you which months in 2021 you should be receiving your extra paychecks. Be sure to stay until the end of this video because there is one caveat I want you to make sure that you're careful of. Now, you may or may not already have a budget for yourself, but if you don't, I would suggest to watch my YouTube video on the biweekly paycheck budget using the Google Sheets. Now, the link can be found up here, or I'll also provide a link in the description. Now, as you budget your paychecks for the rest of this year, you'll notice that 2 months out of the year have 3 paychecks. So really, you don't need to use those 2 paychecks to go toward your bills, which is why I suggest using them for savings or for debt. Now let's look at a calendar together so we can understand which months your extra paychecks will be in. Now, if your first paycheck of the year was January 1st, then your extra paychecks are going to be January and December. Let's take a look. January 2021. You see a purple payday here on January 1st. Then the next biweekly paycheck is January 15th, and then the following paycheck is another January paycheck, January 29th. So that's your first extra paycheck of the year. If you go to February, you'll see that there's only 2 purple paychecks for February. Same with March, the 12th and the 26th. April, 9th and the 23rd. May, the 7th and the 21st. June, the 4th and the 18th. And so on, you get the point. Now, if your first paycheck of the year was January 8th, your extra paychecks are going to be April and October this year. Let's take a look. So your first paycheck is January 8th, this green payday here. The following paycheck is January 22nd. The next biweekly paycheck is February 5th, then February 19th. Then March, we have the 5th and the 19th. April, you'll notice there are 3 green paychecks. April 2nd, April 16th, April 30th. April 30th is your first extra paycheck of the year. Moving to October, you have October 1st, 15th, and the 29th. October 29th would be your second extra paycheck of the year. Now guys, this is huge. I know that finances are no fun and I'm trying to make this as easy as possible, but if you have a bi-weekly paycheck and you didn't know that you have 2 extra paychecks every year, you're going to find so much money and be able to save it or put it toward debt. Now, if you're ready, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delegate that extra paycheck so you can make the most of it. So to those of you who have already watched my biweekly paycheck YouTube video, this sheet should look very familiar to you. As a quick overview, we have the biweekly total paycheck amount here in the green. Then we have your bills, necessities, debt, savings, fund money, and however much is left over here. Now the way this budget is set up is to take your total bills which are these listed here in the yellow dots, and dividing those bills by 2. That way, your paycheck number 1 for January 1st will pay for half, then January 15th, you'll pay for the other half of your bills. Now, the benefit of budgeting this way is that for my extra paycheck on January 29th, I can actually go to this bills and put 0, enter. You'll see here that the amount left over is $825. I can go ahead and add $500 to house savings, and I can put another $385 towards debt. The only money that you actually need to use from your extra paycheck is groceries and car gas for the next 2 weeks. That's seen in this column here. This column should remain the exact same as it was for January 15th and January 1st. Okay, now I want to stop the video here because I don't want to get anybody overwhelmed or confused. If you're really confused about this, try to watch the video one more time and see if you have a better grasp on it. Sometimes it just takes 3 times to really understand it. I'm just really excited that you watched the video up until this point because that means that you are taking control over your finances, and honestly, you just earned yourself another 2 pay periods that you had no idea you had. So kudos to you, and I hope you can put those towards savings or towards your debt or maybe it's towards something fun. I hope you've learned something. If you, again, have any more questions, feel free to just comment below. I'll always respond and try to explain anything more. If you like this video, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button below. That way I know what kind of videos people want to see. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Until next time, I am Stefani Ervin, and you go get your piece of the pie. Bye.